So today we are kind of signed an MOU with Polycom. Very excited about this particular collaboration that's going to happen, because Polycom is world's #1 communications company in terms of the video and audio communications, and then that actually fits very well with some of the research that is happening in research centers at IIIT Hyderabad, including computer vision, natural language processing, cloud computing, and so on. So this actually gives us an opportunity to work closely with the problems that are real world, the problems that are actually can be solved. Future will be much better. So that's where we are very excited about collaborating with Polycom today. Polycom is world's leader in the communications part. So any corporate that you walk into, in their meeting rooms, in their conference rooms, you find a Polycom device. So in that way it is very well recognized. And then they are also handling large amount of data in terms of streaming, in terms of connecting people. So in that sense, they know the problems much better than anybody else. What it takes to give a very real world conference experience. And then when you're actually moving now towards the virtual world more and more, bringing in the reality to a conference room, even the people are kind of sitting far away, apart from each other, but then there's a feeling that all of them are sitting in a room. So that does not come easily. There are a lot of problems that needs to be solved before we actually can give that kind of an experience. So Polycom has already done quite a bit, but then the problems that are yet to be solved are plenty. We wanted to collaborate with anybody who is actually wanting to collaborate with us. So we are we wanted to do research that is useful for everybody. So it's not about specific about Polycom, it's about anybody that we wanted to collaborate, we'll be glad to collaborate. This is going to really be very, it's going to change the world. All of us are, in a way, are carrying our own video camera and a computer with us, right? So now there are Apple has a FaceTime kind of application. So people can actually look into their cell phone and then talk to anybody across, right? And with their faces. The video conferencing has become very cheap, very available to everybody. So that is in a way a big leap in the communication. Now think about this way, where it's not just the face on a small screen that you're able to see, but you walk into a room and then you have this entire wall as a screen showing you what is somebody who is thousands of miles away, or kind of the way that they are interacting. So the world is changing in the sense that everything is becoming like a computing device. Maybe some with bigger screens or the projectable area surfaces. So given all this technology is very important. Whatever that we are seeing in science fiction movies today, this is basically, we just started this contract, and this is basically MOU, but the specific projects are being planned now. Many of these projects are being rolled out in next few months, but then they last for at least a year to 3 years. But then that's about the specific project. It's about mutually figuring out what are the right problems to work on, what are solvable in the short term, what are solvable in medium term, and how important are they, and then actually deciding on a plan. So the work is yet to be started. We are actually constantly working with several industry leaders, on not just industry leaders, but also the small and medium companies.